5 cheeky engines jumping on the bed. Yay!
Whee!
Woohoo! One fell off and bumped his head. Oh no! Whoa!
Do. Huh? What's going on here? 4 engines jumping on the bed?
Actually, there's 5 of us.
Look up!
Look up.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, I'd better call Mayor Funling. Hello? Mayor Funling, 5 engines are jumping on the bed.
Are they? They should be doing their jobs.
Well, Percy just fell off.
Percy? He should be at the Crystal Caves collecting crystal. Let's see if he turns up on time. He should be here, but I don't see him.
Whoa!
Huh? Oh, there he is. Good job, Percy.
Thank you, Mayor Funling.
The engines can't be jumping on the bed. If Percy was jumping, he wouldn't have been here on time. Unless he fell exactly in the right place.
A Funling called Mayor Funling, and Mayor Funling said,
I don't think they're jumping on the bed, but just in case, no more engines jumping on the bed.
Click the cheese.